she wants to do that style. She's got thick, rich hair, man. That part, yeah, it's like a zigzag. Like it's not straight. It's like a curvy. Our hair. I love the style. It's beautiful. And she's washed it and she's conditioning it. Thick, rich hair, man. Yeah, you see how much like conditioner she's got on it, so that it ensures that you have a lot of slip on the hair, so the hair doesn't break, because our hair requires a lot of slip and moisture if you don't want your hair to break. Oh, she's putting those spins. Yeah, oh, beautiful, man. Who said you can't style natural hair? Beautiful. Yeah, oh, she's holding it all up. Yeah, you can. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's held it up now. Wow, she's got thick hair, man. Yeah, to get thick hair, you have to leave the hair to grow. Moisture, CGIN. She's got the flat twist at the front. And then yeah, you see, she's leaving the hair to grow by itself. Hey. Beautiful edges, man. She just did the flat twist at the front. Yeah, this swirly curves. Hey. Natural hair. It's everything. Yeah. Ooh, that's a nice style. I have to do that one. Yeah, she just plaited the flat. Ooh, it's beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna do this style for sure. Like plait this side. Wow, look at that curve, that swirly curve. Hey. Yeah, her hair is proper moisturized. Yeah. Whoa. Your beautiful hair. Mine is dry. I will be sprayed it this morning as soon as I woke up. I just came to do this video. I have to spritz it because it's dry. It's dry. And your hair doesn't want to be dry, you know. You want it moisturized. Wow, look at her. Ooh, lazy, beautiful. She's beautiful. Yes, so this is natural hair. Yeah, she's brushing the back neatly. Oh, she's putting an extension. Okay, she's doing 2 pompons. Fake it until you make it. Oh, it's beautiful. Brush it. Yeah, you see? Wash it in sections so it doesn't tangle. Oh, it's okay. She's blow drying it. She's got it all straight. Let's see what she's getting in now. She's doing the flat twist. The flat twist, I can really do flat twist back. Ooh, but as for, oh my goodness, this is a beautiful people. Yeah, flat twist. Can take that out everywhere. Jamaican black castor oil and some water. Look at this juicy curls because she's got it moisture. She's got the right pH. She's got the moisture. That's what I'm saying. Like my one is dry at the moment because I haven't been really. Once you put the moisture in your hair and you balance the pH of the hair, your hair will do whatever you want it to do. You is the truth. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Some flat twist. That's a flat twist I can do it. It's just a cornrow I can't do, but flat twist like oh, she's flat twisting it like. Ooh, that's an interesting way. Yeah. She's gonna put all the hair at the front. Wow. She's done it all the way to the back. That's very neat. Yeah, this one is some skill, because you see, the hair is a lot. For her to be able to do those two like that is some skill. Oh, it's beautiful. Hey, when will my hair grow this long that I can do some of this one? Hey, simple and nice. Hey, cute. Ooh, she dyed her hair red. People, her hair can grow. It's just little master this thing. Wow, she dyed her hair red. It's nice though. Yeah, that's flat twist. Salute. Look at the design. Hey, sister girl. Hey, caramel apricot. So you see her one, she's doing it more like to the side. The other one, she did it more like, so, hey, wow. She did it to the front. That's beautiful. Look how thick her hair is. Wow. Hey. Yeah, that's some blow-dried hair. Wow, it's beautiful. My goodness. Oh, Sister Queen, I love it. Yes, people. Rock it up, hair. Rock it. Hey. I mean, when I watch these extra hair rings, I just know that we can take our hair and skin to the next level. Melanin. Yeah, oh, she's doing her flat twist like. That's your hair, man. Oh, rock it. Look after it and rock it. Ah, beautiful. Yeah, if you see the moisture, if you're going to braid your hair, make sure you've got a lot of moisture. And it's like, look at this pure. She wants to do her. Ooh, yes, hey, Rock your hair like the sister queen you are. People, did you not enjoy it? Yay! Our natural hair rocks. Our natural hair rocks. People, look after your natural hair and it will thank you. Let take our hair and our skin to the next level. It's possible. Once you can see your sisters are doing it, know that your hair has the same potential. And once you begin to look after it, just like the way that they've mastered this, you also will do the same. Stay tuned in. Bye.